If you are looking for how to convert millimeter into centimeter in Excel, then use this simple formula. For this, you need to put the equal signs and use the convert function, open bracket, select the cells, comma, double quote, and for millimeter you need to use mm and again double quote, comma, double quote, and use cm for centimeter, double quote, and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can easily convert all your millimeter values to the centimeters. If you want to cross check, then use equal sign and use again convert function, and now open the bracket. Now select the cell, this time to the centimeter first, comma, double quote. Now use cm centimeter, double quote, comma, double quote, and use mm, double quote, close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can cross check the values by dragging. So here you can see that. So this is what you can easily cross check as well. So I hope you understand how you can convert millimeter into centimeters in Excel. If you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.